Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome back to another vlog of London. We are gonna go to explore today the Natural History Museum. We're on our way. We did a checkout from the DoubleTree by Hilton Ealing Hotel. Everything was so incredibly amazing there. We loved it. And now we're gonna go explore London for the last day. This is the last vlog of London. Oh my god, the Natural History Museum. It's amazing, really. There is so much to explore here, and for the first time ever, we're gonna see the dinosaurs. Well, we already saw, but there is a huge dinosaur and a huge blue whale. We are actually now exploring more Earth, so from volcanoes to how the Earth has changed through years. And now we actually are checking all the minerals. Like, wow, there are diamonds here. How were the diamonds created? Actually, they are created through pressure and heat. And yes, so there is a lot to learn here. You know what's so cool? There are so many kids here coming with their school, and they are learning everything, like by looking at the minerals, by looking at all these stones. Like, I wish when I was a kid also like to have visited this museum, because it's really incredible. you believe that dinosaurs ruled the earth millions of years ago? Walking through this museum, it's an exhibition of all history of earth. Like, it's incredible. Really, it's like it takes you through time, through different areas, like from mammals to stones, minerals to insects, dinosaurs. Oh my god. So today I will share with you some information about the Natural History Museum here in London. Of course, the entrance was for free and you could give some donation. Usually it's recommended like £5 or £6. But this museum is really huge, really big. Like, you can spend the whole day if you want to. It has more than 80 million specimens. It is divided in different sectors, and each part shows different history of the earth. So you should be organized, because you would get lost here, guys. It's like a labyrinth. The main attraction, I would call it, is Hope. Hope is the blue whale, and you would see it, you cannot miss it. It's bigger than 25 meters. And it's stunning. It's right in the center, and that will be, I believe, my thumbnail for this YouTube video, so you cannot miss Hope. It's really incredible. I don't know if it's the real skeleton of Hope or not. Let me check. Really, it looks like Hope is swimming through the air. And it's really beautiful, really stunning. It is the first time that I see the whale skeletons or even dinosaurs, and I'm really surprised about dinosaurs. Like, they were really big, really big. So the Natural History Museum is in the station South Kensington. We went out right now. We are gonna go to see a hidden gem, well, a hidden place. It's a very thin house here in London, and it's very beautiful to see. So let's check it out. Let's talk about money. Well, pounds here. We have not withdrawn, not a single time. It seems like in London they appreciate when you pay with your card, when it's like right away and tap in, tap out. That's really incredible. We didn't need to withdraw pounds. But in the same time, I missed seeing how the pounds look. I don't know. Wow, these houses are really pretty here. They must be very expensive, but really beautiful. Oh my gosh. Also, another thing I've noticed that is different from Germany, for example, or some other countries, the service is included when you go to a bar or restaurant, and it's 12.5%. But the service so far, it has been incredible. Like all the places that we have gone to, amazing service. Also, another thing I'm liking a lot in London is that they give you free water and they even refill it. They're like, do you want more water? Do you want more popcorn? That is incredible. It doesn't happen in many countries. What else do you want to know? You could actually ask me in the comments and let me know, what do you actually think of London? I'm loving it.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anymore.
So behind me now is the thin house. I don't know how people live there. It's really thin. Do people actually live there?
Not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy.
Alright guys, as you can see, we are now in the train. Hola! We're actually on our way to the airport, London Stansted, but we did a final rookie mistake here. So, when we first came, we bought going and returning ticket to the airport, which cost like £60. If I remember it right.
Welcome to this service for Stansted Airport. We will be calling at
we gotta continue the story a bit later. Alright, so yeah, we bought to go and return ticket. But the returning ticket, I was not aware, it's only possible from the station that you buy it, like the one that they suggested us, which was Tottenham Hale. And we thought like, oh, we could use a return ticket from any station, but it's not the case. So we were in the Liverpool station, Liverpool Street, and from there we couldn't use those tickets of the returning. So we had to buy a single ticket to go to Tottenham Hale, which costs £6.7 per person. And then we could use our tickets again. I mean, just extra expenses on transportation here. I do find transportation in London expensive, but other than that, I mean, food-wise, not really expensive, or for drinks, like the normal kind of, let's say, like Germany. But yeah, this was my experience. I hope if you're watching this, you get to learn and don't do this mistake. Well, next time when we come to London, we won't repeat this mistake for sure. So yeah, rookie mistakes happen. Same like the Uber boat, right? That it doesn't matter if you just do one stop, they charge you like £9 either way. Oh well. Alright, so this vlog is gonna be shorter than the others. We are enjoying now the fields, the green areas, until going to the airport. And we are going, of course, like 2 hours before, just in case, because we gotta do the passport control check and all that. So I always prefer to go to the airport, yeah, maximum 2 hours before, especially if you have to do passport control, which not my favorite part, but what can we do? Thinking now back, I would have liked to do more things in London, like there are a lot more things to do, so gotta come back to London. But I really hope that you've liked so far the vlogs and Hope you found it valuable, helpful. If you did, let me know in the comments. I would really appreciate it, and hit the subscribe button down below, give it a like, and I really appreciate you supporting me. Okay, so I'll keep you posted after the security check and the passport control how it goes. This vlog is not over yet. Whew, oh my god, it was a bit stressful doing the check-in to get the boarding pass and the security check, but everything went well. So I would like to end this vlog right now. Hope it was useful. Hope you liked it. See you the next time. Bye bye.
There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying. Like I could just die.